Many people believe you can't get pregnant during your periods, but is it really true? Or is it one of the most common myths in reproductive health? Hi, I'm Dr. Suvarchila, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. The answer is not a simple yes or no, and it might surprise you. Understanding the menstrual cycle is the first step to this. To understand this, we need to first see how a typical cycle is. Well, a common typical cycle lasts about 28 days, but in reality, it can range from 21 to 35 days in many women. Ovulation is the time when the egg releases, which usually happens around the middle of the cycle, roughly 14 days before the next period. There are some key points that you should understand. Pregnancy can only happen during the fertile window, which is about 5 to 6 days around ovulation. Then why is it that pregnancy during periods is possible? So if ovulation happens later, why is there still a risk during periods? There are three important reasons to this. Sperms can survive for up to 5 days inside the uterus. If intercourse happens during the last days of your period, sperms may still be alive when ovulation occurs. Suppose you have short menstrual cycles, also this is possible. Women with shorter cycles have ovulation that can happen soon after the period ends. This increases the chance that sperm and egg may meet. Irregular cycles can also be a reason. If your cycles are unpredictable, ovulation timing may vary, making it harder to identify safe days. So while the probability is lower, it's not zero. But is it common? Well, in most women with regular cycles, the chance of pregnancy during periods is low but not impossible. The risk is slightly higher towards the end of the period in women with short cycles or irregular cycles. So relying on periods as a safe time for contraception is not a reliable practice. Another important point is that having intercourse during periods can also carry a risk of infections because cervix may be slightly more open. If you're not planning pregnancy, proper contraception is still necessary even during periods. If you're trying to conceive, understanding your fertile window is far more important than focusing on period timing. You can get pregnant during periods, but the chances are lower, however, not zero. If you wish to understand more, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.